Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by profiling to know what to fix. Start with DevTools CPU, memory, and timeline traces. Run and profile build and exercise realistic flows for 30 to 60 seconds so you capture cold start and steady state behavior. Focus on 90th percentile frame times and heap spikes. Once you have baseline numbers, you can prioritize fixes by impact instead of guessing. Make sure to note device model and OS. Different hardware reveals different bottlenecks. Once profiling points at UI jank, reduce rebuilds by using const constructors and extracting widgets to lower rebuild scope. Replace set state with finer scoped state management so only affected subtrees rebuild. Flatten deep widget trees and insert repaint boundary to limit repaints. Cache images with per cache image or a caching package to avoid repeated decode costs. For heavy computation, move work to an isolate or use compute to keep the UI thread smooth. Make sure to reprofile after each change to measure gains. You finish by trimming dependencies and enabling release optimizations. Tree shaking, AOT, and optional obfuscation to reduce code size and startup time. Build a release APK/AAB and profile it. Debug builds can hide issues. If performance problems persist, reproduce the issue in a minimal sample app, inspect platform channels for blocking calls, and capture fresh traces to pinpoint remaining hotspots. One key troubleshooting tip: if a change made
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.